Hello friends, it's Rick Lisa's Kitchen and Garden. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare shiitake mushrooms for cooking. Everybody loves mushrooms. Not everybody, but a lot of people love mushrooms. And when you see the shiitake mushrooms on the shelf of a store, it's very tempting. But a lot of people don't know how to prepare them before they can really use them for cooking. Here's how. First, give them a thorough washing, a couple of washing, to get rid of all the dust, whatever dirt they might have on the surface. Wash it thoroughly clean. And then you soak them overnight. Put enough water to make sure all the mushrooms can absorb enough water. These are the shiitake mushrooms soaked overnight. The rehydrated mushrooms are cut into slices. At this point, if you want to make a vegetarian bacon, you can take part of the mushrooms and soak it with salt and olive oil and let it mix well and soak it for a while, and you can bake it, and they come out taste like a bacon. Very, very close taste. Otherwise, I would just put it in the juice I used to soak mushrooms and cook the mushrooms. And then you use the water you used for soaking the mushrooms, bring it to boil, add a few pieces of ginger, a little bit of green onions. I just use the frozen green onions I harvested from my garden, and a little bit of soy sauce just to give it flavor, and some olive oil, and then put in the cut mushrooms. When they start to boil, you just turn the power down a little bit, keep it to shimmer for 20 to 30 minutes till the mushrooms are very soft and thoroughly cooked. And then you can just store the cooked mushrooms in your fridge. It can be kept for about a week to 10 days. And then you can use the cooked mushrooms in anything. Your soup, stir fries, filling for the dumplings, stews, anything. And the mushrooms won't taste rubbery like shoe leathers. They will taste nice and give you good aroma. Thank you for watching. See you next time.